Hey there! Welcome back to the channel where we make fitness simple. Today, we're diving into a common question. How many squats should you do daily to build muscle? Whether you're a beginner or advanced, this step-by-step guide will help you see results. Section 1. The benefits of squats. Before we jump into the numbers, let's talk about why squats are one of the best exercises for muscle growth. Squats target your legs, glutes, core, and even help with balance. They build strength, improve flexibility, and boost overall lower body performance. Section 2. How many squats for beginners? So, how many squats should you be doing daily? If you're just starting out, aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 squats per day. This will help your muscles adjust to the movement without overworking them. Make sure to focus on proper form, keep your back straight, knees aligned with your toes, and lower your hips as if you're sitting on a chair. Intermediate level pushing further. Once you've built up some strength, move up to 3 sets of 20-25 squats per day. At this stage, you can challenge yourself by adding more depth to your squats or incorporating bodyweight variations like sumo squats or jump squats. Remember, consistency is key. Gradually increasing the number of reps will push your muscles to grow. Section 4. Advanced level muscle building squats. If you're advanced and looking to build serious muscle, aim for 4 to 5 sets of 30-40 squats daily, or add weights like a barbell or dumbbells to really fire up those muscles. Weighted squats help activate muscle fibers, which means more strength and size. Section 5. Tips for recovery and progress. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Make sure to stretch after your squats and give your muscles time to recover, especially if you're doing high reps or using weights. Also, focus on nutrition. Protein is key to helping your muscles recover and grow. Section 6. Final thoughts. So, how many squats should you do daily to build muscle? Start where you're comfortable and gradually increase over time. Remember, quality over quantity. Proper form is essential for avoiding injury and getting the best results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fitness tips. See you in the next one.